Hello everyone and welcome back. In the previous lectures, we learned about multi-layer perceptron, their architecture, activation functions, and how information flows from the input layer to the output layer through a process called forward pass. However, an important question still remains. How does the network actually learn? In other words, once the network makes a prediction, how does it know whether the prediction is correct or incorrect? And more importantly, how does it adjust its weights to improve the future predictions? The answer lies in the powerful learning algorithm called backpropagation. Backpropagation, which stands for backward propagation of errors, is the fundamental algorithm used to train multi-layer neural networks. The basic idea is simple. First, network makes a prediction, then it measures the error between the predicted output and the actual output. Finally, it sends this error backwards to the network and updates the weights in a way that reduces the error. By repeating the process over many training examples, the network gradually learns the correct patterns from the data. In this lecture, we will understand the intuition, mathematics, and working mechanism behind the backpropagation algorithm.